Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to find Windows 11 product key in your laptop. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from a laptop or desktop, I just want to find out a product key. For example, I just go to settings option. I can able to see this my Windows updates is activated or not. If it's not activated, you need to find your Windows 11 product key. If you have your Windows 10 also, you can identify your product key in your laptop. What you have to do here, simple and easiest way, just go to start menu and just type CMD, that is command prompt. Just type CMD, the command prompt black box will be open here. So this is a black box option, so just copy and paste this ID, that is I have given the description link. Just copy the link and paste it over here. That is a wmic path software license service get a original product key, and just give enter means automatically your original product key of this laptop will be displayed over here as you see here. This is the easiest way to identify your product key over here for your Windows 11 as well as Windows 10. This is a simple and easiest way to identify your product key and copy the product key and paste it in your Windows update. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. So thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.